Welcome to your wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In tonight's shave, I'm using my Issard, and this is a beautiful vintage FrameBack. Oh yeah, very nice. This is made in France, and it's a decent shaver, and it's a smiling blade. Now for my soap tonight, here we go. We are going Proraso green. Yep. This is the eucalyptus and menthol, and this is like the #1, I think, summer scent, right? Because it is refreshing. Yes, it is. Now, I have had that blooming. I'm going to pour that off and put that on as a pre-shave. Yep. Very nice. Very, very nice. That is so good. And it's already refreshing. Yep. Yep, with that menthol and eucalyptus in there, it is marvelous. Now, for my brush tonight. Here we go. The King brush. Oh yeah. This is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. That is a premium 24mm Boar knot, and it is a fine brush. Yes, it is. We'll go ahead and get that loaded up. Oh yeah. Yep. So, welcome to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. Yep. Hopefully you are in high spirits and the world is treating you good, and hopefully you're getting some good shaves. Oh yeah. Now, we're just going to load that brush up. This is really like a favorite, right? For summer. I think all around, most people would say for a summer scent, this would be the scent that they would go with. Now, how about you? Let me know down in the comments. Is Proraso green your go-to for summer? Yeah. Is it your go-to refreshing scent that you would normally use during the summer? Or do you have something else? Let us know down in the comments. That would be excellent. Yeah. And maybe we can kind of come up with a consensus. I know there are a lot of different soaps out there, but I think this one is probably worldwide maybe the most popular. Yeah. All right. I think we're in business. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we are. Without a doubt. All right. So I'm going to get that from around that bowl. We're going to just put that on the face. And the good stuff, which is on the inside, I'm just going to go ahead and get that out of there. There we go. Putting that on the brush. And now go ahead and work this in as part of my pre-shave. Yep. Oh, and that is so nice. Really is. Yeah. Yeah, so what is your go-to for a hot summer day? Yeah. Yeah, I think this one is right up there near the top. Worldwide. Yeah. All right. Now, let's get our lather on. Oh yeah. Nice. Again, another cold water shave. And I'm liking it. I am. Definitely. I know the first time I did this, I think it was last year, it wasn't really growing on me like it is this year. I really like it. And it could be mainly because we're having warmer weather this year than we did last year as well. That could have something to do with it. Yeah. How about you? Where you are you having seasonable temperatures or is it warmer? Yep. There we go. Nice. That is good. Now, get those hands dried off. This is pass one, and for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Yeah, what do you think of the shirt? Yeah, I got this a while back and kind of misplaced it. Yeah, I just found it. Just found it today. Yeah, most of these are American Eagle shirts, and a friend of mine gives them to me. For birthdays and that kind of stuff. I really enjoy it. All right. Trying to keep that razor flat around that chin area. As much as possible. That way you have a better shaving angle. Mm-hmm. Nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is really a fine razor. Works quite well. Here we go. Nice. Yeah, and that menthol's kicking in, feels good. Yes, it does. Now I'm switching hands. Going with my non-dominant hand now. And what I'm doing there, when I go over the same place, several times. That's called buffing. And I'm trying to get a closer shave with less passes. And if you're very gentle, you can do it and it's not a big deal, and you're not going to get a whole lot of irritation either. Especially if you've got a good shave soap. Yep. There you go, pass 1 complete, and it felt good, it did. Now, we're gonna get that washed off. Yeah, we are. Oh yeah, cheeks feel really good. Oh, nice, 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 nice. All right. Now, time for the half pass. Yep. That's my jawline and my neck, and that is primarily going to be across the grain on each side of my neck. And right up through the middle, that's going to be completely against the grain. Yep. And I'm going to get a fine shave. I am. There we go. Nice. Very nice. All right. Now, let's do this. There you go. Oh yeah. Nice. That's good. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I hope you're getting some good shaves as well. There we go. Nice. Now, let's get this part. Yeah, that is working good. Yes, it is. All right, another shave in the books. Yep. Now, let's find out how good it is. I think it's going to be a good one. I do. Oh, nice. Yeah, that is a good shave. Yes, it is. And, yeah, no bumps were harmed in the filming of this shave video. That is so good. We're still going Alum everywhere. This is my habit. This is astringent and antiseptic, and it will help close off those little bumps you hit. Plus, it tighten that skin and close off them pores as well. So that really works quite nicely. And I just put that everywhere, just like that. Then I will pat it dry. And you're good to go. Oh yeah. Now if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse. That will help. Follow that with witch hazel. In my case, I am going with the Thayers lemon witch hazel. This stuff is fantastic. And I really do find it quite nice. Fantastic scent. Wonderful. And I will put that everywhere. I do. Yes, I do. Now, following the theme of this shave, for my aftershave cologne thing, here we go. Proraso green. And this is the aftershave. This is like a face tonic even. And it is just marvelous. It really is. So we get some of that going. Yep. And again, eucalyptus and menthol. Telling you, can't go wrong with that combination. It's just fantastic. It is. And topping the shave off with Proraso green. And this is the aftershave balm. So this is a totally Proraso green shave of the day. Oh yeah. Yes, it is. We're going to get some of that going. And this is just nice. It is. And I am going to put that pretty much everywhere. Yes, I am. Oh, nice. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see if I could only have one. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.